Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to become an eBay affiliate partner. So first of all, of course, you'd like to go and open any browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps. Of course, in my case, as you can see, or as you noticed, I'm using Brave browser. But for you, you can use any other browser, could be working for you, such as Google Chrome, maybe Opera, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or maybe even Brave like me. Even if Internet Explorer is working for you, I don't care. Whatever browser is working for you, that will be great. Just go use it because this tutorial will work at any uh, browser. So if you want, of course, to become an eBay affiliate partner, all you need to do, I found something interesting in Google. Of course, it will explain everything kind of. So if you go to Google and type how to become a eBay affiliate partner, they will actually show you the steps. So the first step is to join and complete their quick online application, and they will do actually the rest. Of course, this step number 2, you would like to use your free or our free and simple tools to easily create a trackable eBay partner network links for your listings. And the last steps, which is the easier one, I guess, is share. If you share the links with your audience on social media, your website or blog, and other marketing channels, that will actually make or let eBay and recognize you, and that will actually make you a partner if you contact them, and they can even contact you if you have like a big base on social media or big base audience, so that will actually be for this tutorial. I hope you understand and I hope you like this tutorial. So I hope you like it. Again, thank you guys for watching and goodbye.